Well, let's talk for a moment about seal coating and the reason for that. Really, the main reason is you need your asphalt to stay well maintained because you want it worth something. You want it in good repair. You want to drive your car on it and not have it breaking apart, because everybody realizes that down the road it's going to cost a lot to repair it and to even replace it at some point. So look at it like this, that your asphalt is an asset. It's a financial asset, and it's actually an investment that you or somebody else put into, that you put dollars into it, so it is an investment. So at very least, take care of the investment so that it stays worth the maximum amount. The way to do that, of course, is to keep the moss off it, maintain it, clean it on a somewhat regular basis. Of course, you can let it go for a while and do it part of your spring cleaning, but the idea is to put the seal coat on there to maintain it. It holds it together. Of course, it makes it look better. We like that part, and that's what a lot of people want, but the other things it's doing is it's holding its worth and its value. And we want to really stress that to you, that it's not just another thing you do. It's something that it holds the value. That way you're not spending on it more than you need to spend in the near future and even in the distant future.